Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Google Meet with link. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Meet app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the Google Meet app, then sign in with your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see at the top there's search or enter code. All you have to do is find the link, then copy it. Once you copy the link, go back to Google Meet app, then tap on that search bar. Now right below search bar, you can see enter a Meet code option. Tap on it, then just paste that. It will automatically paste just the code. Then tap on join on the top right corner of your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you join a Google Meet with a link. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.